Linux for beginners. I usually hear this, but not for the first time. And for some, well, yes. It is better not to tell everything as it is. To put it briefly, some believe that Linux is very complicated, that you always need a terminal. And some, on the contrary, say that after switching to Linux, everything became easier. I prefer to install packages, all that. But you know, I really don't care that there are different camps here and there. So I want to try it myself as a Linux newbie. And Fedora Minkeshio Max. I don't know what other distros there are, a bunch of them. Well, there's a little bit. But you need a powerful one. And so I'll stick with Prism Linux. I don't know what this project is, so let's get to it. When I go to the site, everything is in English, but there is Ukrainian, so we choose it, because it is powerful. I also find out that the developer is from Ukraine, that is, this Prism Linux is Ukrainian. But I don't give a shit. I have to install it. Hits install and 2 minutes. And then I had 2 paths, or to install everything through dual boot. But I don't have that opportunity because it broke for some reason. Therefore, we will throw it on VirtualBox. And I understand there will be different results on VirtualBox and on Dalabut, but let's appreciate it as it is. Unfortunately. And yes, no, you don't think that the screen is small, because it is small, but if you look at it this way, there is the usual default, NVIDIA, yes, and there is, that's not there, okay. We choose NVIDIA, because I have NVIDIA. Thank you. Did I break it? You know what's missing here? Some kind of animation, like, well, I just saw the same loading animation. Here is the strip. This line. I saw almost everywhere. Almost. It's a whirlwind. Yo my, what are you doing? I'm operative. At. Katie. Now it's clear why it takes a long time to load. What the hell? Where? No. Serious. Where? I had this idea. Where do I put it? Now I will explain for beginners why I don't really like Katie. No, it's great. It's good looking, but it loads the computer. You installed a temporary XFC or some other shell that does not load the computer. Why Katie? I know you like him, but if you can hear me blah, it's taxing. Maybe something else? Good. Although, oh well. And no, the process was not enabled. That is, you have to pull it yourself. Tarnished powers. Yes, well, my English is good. Yes, there is English in English. A little localization is needed here, because it is British. We need English British and English American. It's just English. I understand, there are regions here. Yes. But I would separate it a little in the plan. Well, I wrote British or American in parentheses. Or instead of English, he simply put American and British English. Well, you probably got me. If not, I will show my goods there as it should be. And I only have 1 disk for 20 gigabytes. If you remember what they ask for on the website, this should be enough. And where? That is, he wants to say that I have. Yes, I also need Joe. She is not there. I just wanted to put this shell, but if it is not there, then I will have to get some other one. No, well, I tell it like it is. From the start, something smaller is better. Such a plan because KD takes a lot of iron, and we don't need it, because it's an installer. I understand this is still life mode. Why are you smoking? It was possible to put another one in the meantime. Yeah, that's a stupid nitpick. I am speaking as just a beginner and a bit of a person who understands this in Linux. I'm just saying that something smaller is better for iron. Yes, we click further in packages. Why do I need a product where I won't take it? I don't like her dwarf. Okay, I like the gnome, but wait, where's their browser? They have their own browser, for example. No. Well, good. Yes. Full name. Well, you have to make pseudonyms, so? Nah. To whom did I tell that I will put mine in the middle? Yes, additionally. Yes, the core is already available here. Well then. It seems to me that there is some kind of shell here, but I don't remember if there is or not. Yes, well, I like it more than Flatpaks in games. I need it. We leave the size from the game empty. There. Well, that's all. The name of the scarf. Installation is in progress. Don't close. Close it in. Do not close the window. Who is the localizer? Stop, it's me. No, stop. Too many letters and numbers. Close it. Installation is in progress. Do not close this window. I did not hear the L closing or opening. Well, yes, there are still many fans of localization, because I work with it. But let's close on this. I'll send. Let's close our eyes. I wanted to say, I don't know why. You know, it would be cool if there was an option to run Tetris in the self-installation. Or, for example, to play Pac-Man. By the way, this is Arch Linux, so Pac-Man, well, it would even be really cool if it was installed here. Yes, and then I'm going to turn off the recording for now, because this will take a lot of time to install, so why keep you here? Yes, well, everything seems to have been established. I will enter now. And never mind. And no, there is something. Yow. The original spowers were better. Yes, Prism. Hello. Hello, nigga. But can it be opened normally? I had it. But no, everything works. Documentation, settings. Although it all goes wrong, this is the norm. Launch on login. Close the window during each. No. Well, I clicked. Okay, update the system. Alright, control the mirrors. Oh wait, I have a lot of time. It seems to me that I was fed up somewhere. And then, so that you don't have to watch this, listen to how I did it there, visited this, that. This is the usual Linux visitation. It doesn't matter which distribution. But I immediately tell it as it is. If you look at it that way, well, the fact that I'm there on a virtual phone, on a virtual box. So well, actually, I wouldn't say that everything is bad. It even really explains everything. There's nothing wrong with it. The only thing is the beginning. Where is it? Oh. If it can be replaced with something easier, it will be great. And yes, I'm sorry, for KT I'm against it. And yes, if... yes. I found another stuffing there. Name me Flatpak. That is, if we remember this moment. And come back now. Shit, I'm not even sure what this is. Choose a program? Choose another? Oh yeah. He does not accept. Now I'm waiting. Stop, what is this? There is no heart. Boom. Yes. I didn't understand why. It seems that there is a check mark. Everything is there. Everything has been set. But I don't want to start it now. Had to run Doom. Well, not to show how I installed it, but at least I will show a little. Oh well, Vine. Vine should launch. Come on, you can. Whoa, Vine configuration update. From me. Please wait. I can't, I wanna Duma. It weighs 20 megabytes. Well, please let me play. Oh yeah. I laughed. I laughed. Boy. There are. What is it? It seems like Linux is just not my kind of thing. But I squeezed out. I don't know if it's strange or not. No, well, the game works. That is here. It might actually count as having run the game, but it will not work normally on virtual. But if you don't look at all these bugs with Flatpak, with little optimization, yes, there are little problems with optimization. Prism Linux itself is really suitable for beginners. Well, yes. Only the beginning, again, it is necessary to work on it because and even on the computer itself, it takes a long time to load. Bitch, put your fucking CD away. He is not needed at all. It's better to offer it, and not insert it right away. Like, I don't impose an opinion on anyone. Except you. Therefore, it is better to temporarily put something easy, and then let the person decide what he wants. And that's all. I wanted to say everything. Yes. And I was still doing self-diagnosis for a few moments on Windows. Don't ask why, I just decided that way.